Silverhook Petrol Treatment and Injector Cleaner is an additive designed to improve system performance. It conforms to the ASTM standards D4052, D93 and D445. It consists of a blend of kerosene and KeroPure 3874, a detergent effective at removing existing deposits and preventing the formation of new ones. Unlike conventional detergents, this will also clean your suction pipes, intake valves and carburetors in addition to the injectors. It contains a highly effective corrosion inhibitor to protect vehicle fuel systems. The demulsifier ensures optimal separation of the fuel and water phases within the fuel tank. It also contains a potent friction modifier to reduce internal engine friction and increase fuel savings. Regular use will maintain peak engine performance, smooth idling and eliminate tough starts. One 325ml bottle treats 50 to 70 litres of fuel. This is suitable for all petrol engines including two-stroke. For more information, visit www.silverhook.co.uk or contact us directly.